Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing my closet clean out, closet transition from winter, fall into spring. Not quite summer, some pieces are a little summery, but I haven't full blown brought all my summer clothes out yet, but I wanted to kind of share with you packing it up, putting it away, organizing what I do have. I live in a pretty small closet situation, so I have two closets. Small closet, two closets, you know what I mean. It's small, gotta get creative with organization, and I figured I would share with you the process. And it was not one day, it was multiple days. So, if you're curious to watch me organize my closet, spring clean if you will, spring transition, then just keep watching. My life in shambles right now, but I'm already starting to put away my winter coats. I'm just throwing everything down here because I know I'm not going to need the winter coats for the rest of the season, and I'm like sick of keeping stuff in here that I don't use. I want to utilize this more and this more for actual space instead of just hoarding and holding on to things that aren't the right season. So we have to be more strategic with our life from here on out. So this is the first thing, and I'm going to be able to put it in the garage. Don't tell Scott, he's gonna lose his mind. But if I can't put it in the garage, which I think I will be able to, I can put it underneath the staircase, like, closet thing. Well, it doesn't matter. You don't care. I'm just saying I'm putting it away. So I love this for denim shorts. I have a couple more pairs that I can put here, but you can see everything. You can pull it out. I really like this. This is gonna be stored in my other closet because it's gonna be starting to be short weather. It's just not at this moment, but this is A1. So good. This is awesome. So I have two of them fit like perfectly in here. So in here I have like my Halara workout dresses that obviously it's just not hot enough to wear yet. My shorts when it starts to be walking weather, some workout sets, and then a bunch of athletic skirts from Halara back there as well. So I have a little bit left that I want to put in here. And these little bins are working amazingly. I do have like room for, oh, I have room for like one more. But what I mean is if you don't, you can like, they stretch. So I love that. But I think I can fit some more in here now that we're actually in the drawer. Why do I always do this to myself? I swear. I hate, this is my least favorite thing to do in the world, but I just can't function without doing it. So here we are. This is where we're at. This all needs to be hung up still, but I have put all like my bodysuits and fun tops in there. These things are awesome. And then I put skirts in here. I love these. So you can put them in the front, or in this one, you can see I put it in the middle. Unfortunately, I can't stack two together, but I think I'm gonna still bring it forward. But yeah, so far, making some progress. I still have this to go through. Yeah, a mess. Why do I do this to myself? Miss Sweetie, where even are, oh, you're over here. Yeah. Exposing even more of my mess, aren't you, girl? What the heck, y'all? Why?
So weird.
I thought I heard you, but I didn't believe that you would scare me like that because I thought you loved me.
Oh.
Clearly! So I've decided, the lighting's bad. I've decided to make this into a bathing suit drawer. Now we have a pool to go to this summer, so I'm gonna want more swimwear. We didn't have a pool last summer. We don't have a pool this summer, but we belong to a gym that has a pool now, so I'm gonna keep a decent amount of my swimwear. So I have my like one pieces on this side, my cover-ups, and then my bikinis. I have a lot of swimwear because I do swimwear like reviews and brands with this brand called Cup Sheep, so I have a lot of swimwear and I really like to buy swimwear, so keep that in mind. Anyway, I'm going to be selling a bit of my swimwear, so if you're curious to check out some swimwear at a good price, and check out my Poshmark. It's always linked down below. I need to be better about my Poshmark, but let me let you know, this entire bin needs to go on my Poshmark. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna work on this bin. Oh gosh. This bin is, well, I'm actually gonna swap it out for this bin. Y'all, I'm a mess. I'm going to swap and put it all in this one because it's kind of a smaller bin. Miss Winnie, how come you're already in the empty space in my closet right now, girlfriend? So these are dresses that I love, but won't wear like day to day. They're not casual dresses for me. I'm not a huge dress kind of girl to begin with. So these are more of like special occasions, fancy things, fancy dresses for me, not like chillin' kind of dresses. So I love this one. I just got this from Cup Sheep. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all these are more of like if I'm going to a wedding or something along those lines. I love this dress. Unfortunately, I need to get rid of it. Honestly, it's just too small in my boobie area. So there's that. Never worn that dress. This is such a beautiful dress. I got this is Ted Baker, I think. Yeah, Ted Baker London. Wore it to one wedding. Probably need to wear that again at some point. Wore this to a wedding. This is beautiful. I just have not worn it. It's not casual. Wore this to a wedding. Wore this to a wedding. And this is like a fun like Mexico dress. I have not worn that. This again is more of like a beachy dress. I have not worn it. Same with this two-piece matchy set thingy, Mexico-y-ish, and same with this. Okay, done. So that is my dresses, and that's gonna go in the bottom, or probably the top of my closet. And we're making progress in here. We are not, though, making progress in our bedroom. That is still a disaster. So I think I'm gonna put this up above my closet in here, and then below my closet is gonna go Tupperware bins for like Poshmark stuff. So I'm probably gonna separate some stuff for Poshmark to go underneath that, so I can kind of get that under freaking control. And I find myself wondering what donations, Poshmark, you can't see it over here, Play-Dohs. Oh my god, y'all. I feel like I've been doing this project for days. I don't feel like it has been days. It's been insane.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
So next I need to organize my jeans again because those got out of control. And I think I'm gonna bump the majority of my sweatshirts down into this bottom section. So, all right, everything fits nicely. Let's work on the bottom, my jeans. I think I have a pair of pants somewhere. I think hot jeans, more jeans. Those need to go there. And these pants. Okay. More shorts. I've been putting my pants in this little section here with some tanks. And I feel like so far I really like the ease of having it. Being able to just pull it out. It's wiggly, but honestly, it's fine. I like that I like rolled my tanks. Can you even see? No. I just like roll my tanks. I wear these a lot, pretty often. So yeah, now let's go down. I love this for shorts though. I felt like I didn't have that many shorts. I've been getting more. It's not a problem. I really like them. The long length. I love that long length shorts are in and not boot crack shorts anymore. These are denim shorts. I probably need to part with these favorite pair of Abercrombie ones that I have, to be honest with you, because they don't fit. I keep holding on to them because they are literally my favorite jean, and I'm like, what if? What if I fit back into them one day? And I think I need to let go of that. And if I let go of that, I would have room for all my shorts. For now, because Lord knows I'm always adding more shorts. But anyway, this little bin thing I got on Shein, and it's awesome. Okay, let's bring down all of my denim, fold that up really quick, and then throw it back up.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Done. gosh. Ugh. I think I'm gonna bring, yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff actually in the other closet. So I am done. I need to put this bra away. Actually, I kind of want to keep this bra up there since it's the bra that I wear with those things. Okay, so the bottom I have 2 bins of sneakers. I have this little bin with this dividers that are jeans or shorts in general. I have like my springy summer sweaters that I'll still want to wear, more sneakers. My sandal bin. These are like bras, bras, socks, undies and things. Sweatshirts that I could still wear. These are my 2 like workout sweatshirts, 3 workout sweatshirts, and then these are just like in case it's cold out. Starting from here, denim jackets, dresses, sweaters, all the button-ups, short sleeve button-ups, short sleeves. I have my most worn sweatsuits up there, denim, all up there. And then this is my little hanging organizer from also Shein. And I have it coordinated from Tanks long sleeves dresses. So these are 2 long sleeves that I might wear, probably not. I'll probably transition soon. It's still like can get kind of chilly. Tanks, I wear these all the time from Target and Abercrombie. I like that they're rolled up so they're easy to just grab and throw back in there. And then some of my pants that aren't jeans. So that is the closet. Right, so here's a look at my other closet. So I use these little hanging things to organize. These are all skirts. I don't wear a ton of skirts, but I have skirts. And this is like pants and stuff. But these are all bodysuits or like going out sort of top things. I have my like fancy satin shirts that are used those little hanger spacer things for. These are matching sets to begin with, and then over to my athletic dresses I decided to hang these up. And then shoe storage down there, like sandals and heels. And here I have things that I need to sell on Poshmark. So these are all my active things that need to be put on my Poshmark. This is empty right now. Might put those sweatshirts in, not sure. Nail bin, things like that. And then these are all dresses and then some blazers. Up here is extra dresses that are for like fancy-ish occasions. And up there is stuff that is active on my Poshmark. And then over here, I didn't show you the up top. These are all my skinny jeans and that same sort of divider thing. My Louis Vuitton with like extra stuff in there. So that is that. I'm so happy it's finally done. That's all stuff I'm getting rid of. Be very proud of it. If you know the struggle of living in a small place that doesn't have a ton of storage and you have a lot of clothes, this is my laundry room. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real, shall we? My child's toothbrush. I have my winter stuff in bins in here. Jackets and sweaters, because that's just what works. So that's it.